Now, let me give you a very dope tip if you're planning to celebrate Holi in a very different way. You must go to these four places. Pushkar is one of the most happening Holi destinations, especially among the young international travelers and the backpackers. On the Holika night, the men they dance around the Holika with wooden logs, lat we say in Hindi. The next day, ये होती है कपड़ा फाड़ होली. एक शर्ट आपका यहाँ से चलो धीरे धीरे थोड़ी देर में ही मतलब 100 मीटर भी आप नहीं गए आपका शर्ट पूरा फट चुका है. एंड दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली अबाउट बॉयज, not the women. Women are not really fast. Never have I seen so many bare-chested men in my whole life as I have done in Pushkar. Another destination is in South India, in Karnataka, which is this city called Hampi. आप होलिका के टाइम जाइए, वहाँ पे होलिका नहीं जलाई जाती, वहाँ पे कामदेव दहन होता है. Against the spectacular backdrop of these ruins, Virupaksha temple and the drum and the music, ये सारे के सारे होली खेलते हैं. तुंगभद्रा रिवर पे डिप लेना after playing होली is traditional. The third Holi you must actually witness. If you go to Anandpur Sahib Gurudwara, the Hola Mohalla is being hosted. It's a grand Sikh festival and it falls usually day after Holi. You will see a spectacular display of the Gatka martial arts by the Dhang warriors. There will be boss stunts, there will be massive community gatherings wherein गांव-गांव से पंजाब के लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे. Heavy turban Sikhs, they will be armed and there will be jeep processions with ancient and new weapons. There will be horse riding stunts, there will be sword battles, archery, bomb battles. There's a lot of activity which is done. होली का कलर यहाँ पे नहीं खेला जाता है, but the main focus is on physical strength and discipline and the Sikh heritage. There's another Holi festival. It should become one of the favorites of every young person. Called Yao Shang Festival, which happens in Manipur. Yao Shang literally means dancing in the moonlight, depicting the gopis dancing and worshipping Krishna. The festival starts with burning a small thatch hut, represents the removal of evil, leading into a new auspicious beginnings. The सबसे interesting is Yao Shang Festival का part है that is called Thaba Chongba. Participants हाथ पकड़ करके dance करते हैं in a circle. It's commonly performed पूरी रात light में dance होता है. This is where youngsters they choose their partners. A very interesting culture of running away. So लड़की और लड़के के parents finalize the wedding and etc.